So the construction technology program offers a wide variety of skills that are made for the construction trades. The students get to gain an insight knowledge from experienced people that we have in the field. We have masonry, we have concrete, we have carpentry, we have plumbing, electrical.
Students get a real life experience on working in the field. They get to work outside. Working with their hands is a really big plus. You can learn anything you want on YouTube, but you don't get an opportunity to work with the tools and have a tutor right at your beck and call to be able to walk you through mistakes or problematic areas.
It's really hands-on. If, we're making walls, we're actually making walls. If we're building a floor system, we're actually building a floor system. It's literally the real thing. It's not a simulation of, and I think that's important.
It's like being on a job, and it's like, our instructor is like our construction manager, and we have a foreman. It's like all of that. It's all real-time, real in-life situations that I would be experiencing in a job.
The best part about this is that the students are able to do this in a learning environment. There's no pressures like you would find in the field, durations for project completions, anything like that would add an added pressure that just doesn't need to be there. The students are allowed the opportunity to learn in a learning setting without those pressures, and I think that makes them a little bit more confident in their building.
The students get to go in a cohort here. So whoever you start with is kind of whoever you go through the program with. So I think that's a very good thing too, because the students get to learn how to be a partner, how to work as a team, how to engage with others, how to problem solve, because it's a lot of problem solving. You're going to run into a lot of trouble where you just don't know what's going on, and you get to speak amongst others to learn how to figure it out.
These students that are coming out of this program are trained. They will walk out of this program with a 500-hour completion certificate from the Carpenters Union and the state of California as a pre-apprenticeship certificate. Those 500 hours, the majority of that is spent hands-on training. This is giving them real-life experience, and then when they go out into the field, they have 500 hours that someone hired right off the street would not have. And that's going to make them truly competitive.